first time with Marionette Vectorworks, which is very exciting. It's really nice to see how this international group, most of them also first-time Vectorworks users. In this process we see how Marionette can also develop further, which is great for the software itself too.
It's very fun to work with the eCAADe workshop in Łódź here, with creative people from all over the world and in such an inspiring environment.
It is a very good opportunity for us to see how the participants of the workshop react to the process, how they're engaged with the software, how is the learning curve. It helps us to better understand how we can integrate this process into our future projects.
And Marionette, the software that we use in this workshop, the interesting part was that you can have access to all the script of those components that you are using. You can easily manipulate them, change them, and create your own version. So I think the interesting part for this software that we use in this workshop was open source and create the accessibility to all the users to make their own design using that software.